Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your REDMI Buds 6 Lite with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter, and right here you should click Add Bluetooth or other device. Then Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but we can also add it manually, so just press and hold at this connection button until this light start flashing. Here we go, we have it. And now we see it at the device list, so just click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!